Welcome to Neon for Business. This video is a quick and informal guide to installing your LED neon sign. There are three main ways in which to install our product: drilling it to a wall, hanging it, or attaching it with adhesive strips. The focus of this video is installation by drilling, as this is the most complex of the three, but do get in touch if you have any questions on the other two installation methods. After carefully unpacking your product, please make sure that the following items are included: your LED neon sign, the power adapter, the plug, and please note the plug type will match that of the country you're shipping to. Also included are the screws, standoff fixings, and wall plugs. And finally, the dimmer. In some cases, you will receive a standalone dimmer. And in other cases, you will receive a dimmer with a remote control. These are just some examples, but the design and setup of the dimmer may vary. If requested, we can also provide you with a hanging chain. Before you install your LED neon sign, check for any possible damage. Before installing the sign, check that it lights up properly. Please remember to test the wiring and the dimmer early on while you still have the parts lying around. If you have received a dimmer with a remote control, you'll need to add its batteries first, and then you can test the product. First, unscrew the standoff screw from the standoff cylinder, and then screw the standoff cylinder to the wall using one of the screws supplied. First, you'll remove one of the two silica pads from the standoff screw. Then, you'll put the standoff screw through one of the holes of the acrylic backing. Then, you'll put the silica pad back onto the standoff screw on the opposite side of the acrylic backing. Tighten the standoff screw onto the standoff cylinder by hand. Do the first one, but don't fully tighten it as you'll want to have some slack to do all four. Once you've done all four, then you can fully tighten them one final time. Congratulations! You've now installed your beautiful LED neon sign.